How to unblock someone online. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily unblock someone online that you've previously blocked. So first of all, launch open the Line application on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into the home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Now from the menu that appears on the screen, select the Friends tab, which will be available at the bottom. Click on Friends and then on the next page, select Blocked Accounts. Now, the accounts that you've blocked will be listed on the page. Select the contact you want to unblock and then click on Unblock at the bottom left. Now click OK in the pop-up to unblock the selected contact. Now the contact will be back in your friends list. You can now go ahead and connect with them like you previously did. Unblocking someone allows them to send messages and interact with you again, but previous chats that were deleted will not be restored. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.